Whew. So here, a little bit of rock work again. As I mentioned on several occasions already, I was kind of very surprised the amount of rock work on this section. And so here we're going to get back into some more rock cuts. And here you can see Suckle Creek beside us. So I believe there, if you're looking kind of, this would have been almost like the shoreline of the creek. And it's almost like they filled in part of the creek here to create the grade. Very northern Ontario terrain here. So here you can see more of the rock cut. So you can see all of the spruce growing up the side there. Lots of bits of tie and stuff. Kind of very swampy by the creek there. Rocky and swampy. It's kind of just a sort of a very interesting sort of mix there, but you can see kind of all, it's almost like, so we're kind of going around a bit of a ridge. Here you can see some rock work. I'm guessing again this was probably part of the shore, the original shore of the creek. Man, pulling the dog is a lot of work. And here the rock work continues. Not particularly high, maybe 5 feet or 6 feet. Oh, there's a nice little breeze there. It's very warm. Lots of hunting here, lots of on this section here, lots of empty shotgun shells. Almost kind of very pretty here, kind of going along the side here. You got the rock cut on one side and you have this creek on the other. Again, you can see all the growth that's coming in between the rock cut and the grade. And the rock work here just continues. Oh, nice little breeze. Here you can see the rock fill that's been dumped in to form the grade. And likely it was all from here. So again, not particularly high. Maybe this one is 4 feet, 5 maybe. And just continues on here. Nice and cool through here when you get some shade. Oh, fantastic. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold up here for a second, and then we'll continue our westward journey. All right, we're back in the saddle here. Just continuing our westward journey, right alongside Suckle Creek still. Luna's in tow. There's Noah. So Noah's hanging out by where milepost 4 should be. Unfortunately, the milepost marker is not there. I looked, but if you recall in the previous segment, we saw 2 milepost markers sitting in Suckle Creek. And so I'm assuming that one of those could be the milepost 4 marker. Not sure why they picked it up and dumped it over there, but sometimes things don't make a lot of sense. Getting through some thick ballast here. Hold up, Noah. Okay, go. 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 Here you can see there's a piece of telegraph pole, and there's bits of the pole all over the place, little bits of insulator. Oy. Ballast is a little thicker here, a little harder to pedal. You don't realize how free you are, like Noah is pedaling up there, until you put a 60-pound dog behind you and you have to pedal. So here the terrain changes a little bit again. Kind of a little bit more into a swampy area. Boy, thighs are just burning. Yeah, this is bad for the ballast. All right. So I think we're at our destination. Yep. Noah's going around in circles there. We're in through a little bit of rock work here again. So right here. So this road doesn't have a name. I call it Suckle Lake Road. So you can see the rock work a little bit here. Because Suckle Lake is just right over there. And so it passes right beside the lake. All right, so we've arrived at the end of today's exploration. Hopefully you've enjoyed everything that we've been able to take a look at. The grade here continues to the west towards Octopus Station. We're going to be back tomorrow and we're going to be exploring this section right from this road here all the way to what is known as Conogamasis Dam Road, which ties in with the previous hike that we did. So again, hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed all the things that we saw, a couple of bridges, some telegraph poles, some rock cuts. So really kind of a diverse bunch of things. So we're going to be back, like I said, tomorrow to do this section here. So stay tuned for that episode.